Today I'm going to show you how to pack your cardigans flat like this so that they don't unravel. So we're going to start out by laying the cardigan down flat with the front side facing up. Once you have the cardigan laid down nice and flat, we're going to take the arms and I'm going to fold them over to the other side and then down like this so that they line up along the outer edge of your cardigan. Repeat on the other side as well. Over and then down. Make sure it's nice and even. From here we're going to split the cardigan into 3 parts from side to side, and I'm going to fold in one of the sides. Either you need to not overlap the collar or you need to overlap it entirely, otherwise it's going to be very creased. Repeat here on the other side as well. It's very easy to like fold it over so that it like turns kind of inwards when you go down. Make sure that you don't do that and make sure that it's a nice even line going down the entire length of the cardigan here. From here we're going to split the cardigan into 3 parts again, but this time from top to bottom. And I'm going to start by folding the bottom up 1/3 of the way, maybe slightly more than 1/3 of the way, so like this. And I'm going to lift up the very top layer here, and we're going to take the top and I'm just going to fold it in slightly here at both ends, fold it down 1/3 of the way and stuff it inside here. Now once you put it inside, you can unfold those edges that you flipped inwards and just take a flat palm and you can kind of stretch it inwards and make sure it's nice and even as you pull back the bottom of the shirt there, or the cardigan. So like this, and here you have a beautifully folded cardigan. You can also file fold them like this if you want to do that in your luggage. You can use packing cubes for this. I don't really think it's necessary to use packing cubes when you have folded them like this, because they're not going to fall apart very easily at all. Also, they're nice and organized like this. And if you like this fold, I have put together a free packing cheat sheet with like my top 5 space-saving packing tips over on organizing.tv/pack. You can download it there and it should help you save a bunch of space when you pack your clothes for travel. You can also tap that little box that appears right here right now, and yeah, entirely free just for you guys that are watching the videos. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to make another cardigan packing video that's going to focus more on saving space. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.